Well, good evening to you wherever you are in the world. We are just about ready for the action here. Kickoff is imminent. The team's indeed with us very soon, having exchanged their various pleasantries. What I have to tell you is that the weather may not be great for the duration of the evening. The clouds yet to open, but one suspects that they will pretty shortly, and when the rain comes, we are warned to expect plenty of it. And nobody in this atmosphere can hide from the truth about how much this game matters. The scene overflows with colour and passion. This is the lineup we've been given. How do you read it, Jim?
Well, the obvious standout in today's football in this system is that it provides you with extra presence in attack. With many shaky defences about, getting the right partnership in that department can pay rich dividends, as long as there's a good early supply. So playing two strikers can be a real help to this team. I mean, 4-4-2 these days, Peter, gets a lot of criticism, but it's unfair. Any system can work if you've got the right players.
And as you can see, we've already started here. Such a great hit! Oh, fine stop from the keeper.
Yeah, he was well placed to deal with that.
Galeno. Yeah, he's pulled him up for that challenge. Zakaria. Moved on forwards. Well, that is not the best ball, and he offers an apologetic look.
Well, that's down to a simple miscalculation. No more, no less.
Now, who's going to be first to this? Chance! Pinches it off, and the second time! It's there! He has given that the lot. Bang!
Yeah, I just thought he made great use of his upper body there. It would have taken something really special to keep that out.
Deadlock broken, it's 1-0.
Listen, when it comes to goals, Peter, in this team, he's always the #1 contender, and he's done it again.
He steps in, and that's the end of that. Tony, out to the left it goes. And he's there to clear it, and that's been won straight back. Well, they can break here. Excellent challenge there, uncompromising. Borisho, aim forwards.
That's a modern defender's instinct from a modern coach's mindset.
It's a promising run he's making on the right. Oh, he's enjoyed that. He evidently loves the contest. Borisho, gently done. No, he's not getting his way this time. Tony.
Well, I wouldn't quite advise they should resort to risk-taking at this stage. There's plenty of time left yet.
That's an excellent interception. Oh, what a mistake! And it's played forward. Over to the left. Nice interception, well timed. There's a beautiful simplicity about this contest. Willing running on one side, dogged defence on the other. Played over towards the opposite flank. Borisho. A mixture of good defending and indecisive passing. No progress. Played out to the left flank. Mahrez. Well read, and the danger is averted. Forwards and with intent. And the counter is on. Borisho. The referee's awarded a free kick. Tony. Thinks one through. That's been cut out, well played. And the play for a throw. Lucas Verissimo.
Are certainly playing with an intense focus in executing their plan here.
Lucas Verissimo. Goes forward. It's an inviting looking ball, that. Shifted upfield. Passes short and sharp. Looking for options for movement. Last-ditch defending, but that'll do. It's run loose here. Galeno. Played through into space. Tries to get it clear. Now here's the climbs up big. A really close shave and the last action of the first half. So a thrilling culmination to the first period, but despite all of that, the two sides still separated by a single goal.
Not the most convincing of displays. They could certainly do much better than this. They'll want to keep things simple, build up their confidence and not rush into mistakes.
And the game has already resumed here.
Well, I'm sure the managers talk the talk, and now it's time for these players to walk the walk and deliver a rousing response to a...
Goes in for the header! Decent attempt, but not quite good enough. Mahrez to take it as usual. That has been knocked clear. That's going to go a long way. That'll be a throw-in. That's a good block, but at the expense of a corner. It's their second corner of the game. And now they can spring out of defence. Forward it goes. A slightly better ball would have led to a very different outcome there.
Look, the game is full of ifs and buts. If only the pass could have completed its journey.
Now the finish! Still chasing the game, trailing by one. Minutes played. Sajid, what are you thinking?
Well, the time has arrived to start taking risks. They may well be happy just to level this.
Oh, that's a key interception. Galeno. Zakaria.
Well, this is exactly the approach they have to take now, Peter.
There is an irresistible, irrepressible look about them here.
Well, the question now is whether they can sustain it.
Shot a goal! Whistle's gone, that's a foul. Well read, nice interception. Plays a sharp little ball here. Mendy gets it away. Well played, that has snuffed out the danger. And the shot! And he's heaved it away. Ball is over the line. Now it's Tony. Is there any support? He might not need it. And now they can clear their lines. Can he latch on to this?
Okay, it didn't quite come off. The execution, I think, needs a retry, maybe with a better outcome.
Well, there's plenty to like about this approach. Get your head down, keep battling away, and eventually things might change for you.
Well, that's well spotted. That's the throw. Lucas Verissimo. Here's Burijo. Just eases him off the ball. Nice interception. His positioning was spot on. The final moments of a game that has been pretty compelling overall.
At least they're going about it as they should, having brought this on themselves. Keep calm and carry on. That's the job in a nutshell now.
Keep the ball and you win the game. It really is that simple.
I think it's time for them to concentrate on closing this one out.
Yeah, he's fouled him there. Well, the ref's been lenient here. I doubt he'll get too many more chances. Defending of the desperate variety. So, third corner of the game. Clears it away.
I think we're about to see a frenetic finish. No half measures from here.
Hangs one in. Mahrez. The pressing's intense, and it's paid off.
This...
And that will be the final act.